Hello, good morning. Perhaps a dry start where you are, but cloud is building now. And wet and breezy weather approaches from the west as we head into this afternoon. Fragmented at times, one or two heavy bursts. It's just a dreary damp end to the day with gusty winds picking up for Irish sea coast. The air is still mild this afternoon, 12 Celsius our top temperature, and rain quickly clears this evening, giving us a quiet start to the night. Clear spells, a bit of mistiness and fog, temperatures dipping to 5 or 6 Celsius. And then before dawn, wet and windy weather sweeps in quite quickly across the northwest. So it's going to be a damp old start to the day tomorrow if you're travelling first thing. Wet and windy weather at first, but it will show signs of improving. The bulk of that rain moving off to the northeast. Behind it, some brighter skies, drier conditions, remaining rather breezy with gusty winds for Irish sea coast and up on higher ground, but a drier end to the day, at least 12 or 13 Celsius, so it's still mild. But after tomorrow, a chillier feel. So on Thursday we have a few squally showers to come. Friday looks largely dry. It's dropping away though over the next few nights, and the weekend should start settled. Sunday looks a bit tricky. We'll keep you posted. Bye-bye for now. And we'll be chasing sunshine around again over the next few days with some unsettled weather ahead, and it's turning colder. I'll have the forecast later on. Thank you. Very good evening to you. We've seen some wet and breezy weather around today, but there's more for all of us to start the day tomorrow. And after tomorrow, a colder feel as we approach the end of the week, settling down a little bit into the weekend. February, of course, starting on a mild note, but with a colder plunge of air pushing in across the UK towards the end of the working week. This will serve to return temperatures to around average for the time of year. Back to this evening, we're free from frost, a dry start to the night with a few fog patches, low cloud, very gentle winds before winds pick up and rain moves up from the southwest by the end of the night. In fact, by dawn, it's across much of the region and will be quite heavy to start the day tomorrow. We're free from frost though, 6 or 7 Celsius, and a gusty start to the day wind-wise for many of us as well. The sun will be rising at 7:18 tomorrow, setting at 5:32. Just be careful if you're on the roads first thing. There'll be plenty of surface water and spray as that rain band moves its way across, accompanied by gusty winds, especially on higher ground and along our coastline. The good news is it's pushing off quite quickly. So by the afternoon, a good deal drier, brighter, winds easing down significantly, and a much quieter end to the day for most of us. We're still just about in the mild air as well, so 12 or 13 Celsius tomorrow afternoon, perhaps dipping a bit tomorrow night under clear skies. And then there's a potential on Thursday for a few squally showers, but it is settling down a little bit more. Friday looks decent, dry. It's colder both by day and night, a return to frost into the weekend. Saturday looking settled. Sunday, it's a bit tricky at the moment, probably some rain. Bye-bye.